Hello everyone and welcome to your all in mathematics class here. And yes, today we are going to study this topic, that mode and median of the data. Okay, so what we can understand from this term, that is mode. It is given over here that the number that occurred the most often in your data set. Most often whatever data that comes, that means its frequency should be the highest. That data is only called the mode of the data. So this, first of all, we are going to see this only, the mode. So now let's start, students. You can see the mode of ungrouped data. That we can say in this way, we can define that a mode is defined as the value that has a higher frequency, that means the maximum time repetition, higher frequency in a given set of values, in a given set of data or given set of values. Okay, so mode is defined as the value that has a higher frequency in a given set of data values. Okay, now we can understand from this example that how we will find the mode of the data. So find the mode of the data. This is the question. Data given, you can see total 11 numbers are given over here, you can see, for which we have to find the mode. Okay, for this given data values. So here we can say 27 occurs most frequently. You can count that one, first time, second time, third, fourth and fifth. So in this way we are seeing that the 27 occurs maximum number of times, that means 5 times. Any other data has not occurred 5 times in the given set of values. Therefore the frequency of 27 is highest. Okay, and this is the mode. So we can say the mode of the data is 27, because 27 has the highest frequency in the given set of data values. Okay, so here we have seen the mode of ungrouped data, means that the data which is not classified into groups. Here only the raw data it is given, okay, and you have to find that frequency from there. So only you will find the value which has the maximum frequency. Okay, now the median, you have to understand median of ungrouped data. So first of all, what is median? We have to see. That is the method here for finding that after arranging. It is also the, you can see that after arranging the given data in ascending or descending order of magnitude. Okay, the value of the middlemost observation is called the median of the data. Okay, this is only called the median of the data. First of all, arrange the data in ascending order or descending order. Then after arranging it in descending order or ascending order, the value of the middlemost data, the value of the middlemost observation is only called the median of the data. Okay, that is middlemost observation is only called the median of the data, and all these mean, median and mode, that is only the central value of tendency of the data, you can say. Now here we can find the median of the first 15 odd numbers. Median of the first 15 odd numbers. Okay, so that is what? Odd numbers, we cannot take 2, 4, 6, 8. We will take only 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27 and 29. So these are the first 15 odd numbers starting from 1. Its median you have to find. Sorry, median. Okay, so has some rule here that whenever the number of data is odd, then for finding the median a different formula will work, and whenever the number of data is even, you will use a different formula to find the middlemost observation. Because we have seen the middlemost observation is the median, then here the n, capital N I have shown, that is the number of terms. Number of terms n is 15 and it is an odd number. Then the median formula is this only, that n plus 1 by 2 th observation. N plus 1 by 2th observation is the median of the data. Then it is 15 plus 1 by 2. It is 16 by 2 means 8th observation, and that is 15 in the given set of values. Okay, so 8th observation is 15. We can see this is the median when the number of data is odd here. This you will find n plus 1 by 2th observation. Okay, now next question here for the median only. Read the question nicely. That the ages in years of 10 teachers in a school are 34, 37, 53, 46, 52, 43, 31, 36, 40 and 50 years. These are the ages given. So find the median age in years only. Find the median age in this question. You will do what? First of all, ages in years of 10 teachers in a school given below is this following. Now first arrange the given data in ascending or descending order. So we are arranging in ascending order only. Okay, any one of the order we can arrange. So order here I have arranged 31, 34, 36, okay, 37, 40, 43, 46, 50, 52 and 53. So this way I have arranged the data in the ascending order. Then now you will see here the number of terms, means the number of data is 10, which is an even number. Number of data capital N, that is shown by N. It is an even number. Then the formula is this to find the median. That means 1 by 2 inside the middle bracket, middle braces, n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. It should be divided by 1 by 2. From outside you can see, outside the bracket, middle bracket, 1 by 2. Means you are finding the arithmetic mean of the n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th observation. Means the middlemost two data, you are finding the mean of the middlemost two data here. Okay, after arranging in ascending or descending order. Then we will write that comes in this way, that 10 by 2, because number of data is 10 here observation. So 10 by 2 is 5th, means 5th observation, and 10 by 2 plus 1. Here you will do 10 by 2 plus 1, then it is 10 by 2 plus, means 5 plus 1, it is 6th observation. Okay, so median is 1 by 2 into 5th plus 6th observation. So that will be 1 by 2 plus 40 plus 43. 40 is the 5th data. After arranging, you may see that, check that once. Just you arrange and then count that which observation comes at 5th and 6th place. You will find the same, that 5th observation is 40 and 6th is 43. So 1 by 2 into 40 plus 43, this will come as 83 by 2. 83 by 2, and that is only equal to 41.5. That you will get, it is equal to 41.5. So this is the median when the, you have seen in this example, when the number of observation, that is the number of data, is even. Okay, so this formula you will use there. Okay, hence we can say here that the median age of the teachers is 41.5 years. 41.5 years, because all the ages are given in years only, so 41.5 years. Okay, now students, you can solve NCERT exercise 3.2 complete. You can complete that exercise of data handling chapter 3, and watch this video nicely to understand these methods to find the median. So thank you all of you, and have a nice day.